us explore Angono and find out the reason why it is hailed as the art capital of the Philippines.
Angono is a first-class urban municipality in the province of Rizal, Philippines. The town is located 30 kilometers east of Manila. It is best known as the art capital of the Philippines, being the hometown of national artist for music, Lucio San Pedro, and national artist for visual arts, Carlos Botong Francisco, as well as the site of Angono Petroglyphs, the oldest known work art in the Philippines.
There are several business establishments presented in the booming town of Angono. And our first stop is the SM Center Angono. It is considered as one of the major businesses in town. Trade and commerce are active, such as data processing, pawn shops, and banks as well. With nearly 100,000 inhabitants in this urbanized town, progress is still at its peak. The visual artist that we can find in Angono is Nemeseo R. Miranda Jr., or also known as Nemiranda. Nemiranda was born on February 14, 1949 in Angono, Rizal. He attained his Bachelor of Fine Arts degree at the University of Santo Tomas. He also owned the Nemiranda Art House and Museum. The Nemiranda Art House and Museum has been one of the most visited by foreign and local visitors. Here they will venture into educating themselves about the painters, their masterpiece, prominent, traditional, and religious practices, and one of them is the Nemiranda Art House and Museum, or NAM. As implied by its name, it was designed and constructed by Nemiranda himself by the use of local materials such as bamboo, sawali, and the old recycled wood coming from the old church and convent of Angono. This art house is surrounded by mythical reliefs, murals, and three-dimensional mythological characters such as the Angnuno, Habagat, and Bernardo Carpio, Mariang Makiling, Mutya ng Pasig, the Mermaid of Angono, Amihan, and Malakas at Maganda. The whole concept of this house is called the House of Legends, a magnificent work by the artist himself. This art house was founded at 1975. third stop, the Poblacion Itaas, upang Rizal. Moving on, let's take a walk. Surprisingly, the streets are lined with murals. These murals were created to preserve Philippine cultural history from the prehistory to present. The murals depict cultural and religious life of the Filipinos. Doña Aurora Street in the barangay Poblacion Itaas is home of the late Botong Francisco, the national artist of the Philippines. As a tribute for him, murals cast in the cement were installed on the walls that line the streets.
Nandito tayo sa tahanan ng national artist na si Carlos Botong Francisco. Nandito po ang kanyang apo na si Botong Francisco na pinaunahan tayo at binigyan ng oras upang alamin ang mga likha ng kanyang lolo at likha niya. Maganda po mga sir. Ano po yung
Ang tunay kong pangalan ay Carlos G. Gil Francisco II. Was named after my grandfather. You can call me Kuya Toto.
Kuya Toto, ilang taon po kayo nagsimula pag-paint?
Siguro mga second year high school. Second year high school na ako mag-start. But grade school, hinihilig na ako. Pero second year high school, nakakito ako. May painting. And yun na rin yung first time experience na sa high school.
Sino po ba nagturo sa inyo mag-paint? Okay po, saan po ba nag-paint yun? Ano po yung mga nagiging inspirasyon niyo para makapaggawa po kayo ng magandang Sa lahat po ng paintings niyo, ano po yung pinakamahal at pinakamahal?
Ang mahal is ano yun, well, by pricing, sabi ko, mahal, by size lang. In terms of size. Pero, yes, like this, better. sa angat ng pangalan sa sa artist, yung mga artist na sunan yung mga pangalan sa bigyan yes na artist na struggle Pinas ko, pwede siya ka. Ito lang yung hapon.